Hi, Amy. Welcome.
Hi, Eric. Thanks for having me.
Please have a seat. Pure Storage proposes that all spinning disk drives will be replaced and cease to be sold by 2028. With me to discuss this bold statement is Amy Fowler, General Manager of the FlashBlade Business Unit, Pure Storage. Amy, what do you mean by disk replacement?
I mean that the disk drive, the HDD, is on trajectory to be extinct in just a few years. And so all of those 80 to 90% of terabytes in data centers that are currently living on disk need to be replaced, and they need to be replaced with all flash.
What are the advantages of flash storage over traditional hard drives?
There are a lot of advantages, but at the top of the list, number one would be efficiency. All flash storage takes up less power, less space, less cooling, less total resources than a disk-based system. The second big advantage is that all flash systems are significantly easier to manage. They strip out all of the unnecessary layers of complexity that are built to manage the idiosyncrasies, if you will, of hard drives. And the third is that you can actually provide much better investment protection by leveraging all flash because the systems can last much, much longer. The failure rates are lower, the ability to upgrade in place and take advantage of new technologies is greater with an evergreen architecture like Pure's. And so there are just tremendous advantages of all flash in comparison to HDD-based systems.
So how do the costs of enterprise HDDs compare to SSDs over their lifespan?
So there's a lower total cost of ownership associated with running these systems from a starting point because they are smaller, they take up less space in your data center. That's accomplished because we have significantly better density associated with our all-flash systems in comparison to these big HDDs. So to put it in perspective, about 10 years ago, HDDs were at 4 terabytes and flash drives were at about 512 gigs. We've been delivering 48 terabyte direct flash modules for quite some time, and we are recently introducing the 75 terabyte direct flash modules. That's in comparison to HDDs that are in the 20 to 24 terabyte range in general. So that density really shrinks your footprint. The flash really reduces the total power consumed. And I think that something that's important for people to think about is that they probably want to deploy systems that they're ordering today with the plan that they can last and run and support them for 7, 8, 9 years or longer.
Okay, thank you very much, Amy.
Thank you.